6,000 scholarship is sponsored to diploma students in the name of APJ Abdul Kalam Scholarship. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are here to explore one more scholarship opportunity, that is APJ Abdul Kalam Scholarship, sponsored by Government of Kerala. This scholarship, named after our esteemed President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, aims to commemorate his legacy and promote the education for the deserving candidate. If you are pursuing diploma and meeting the eligibility criteria, then this scholarship could be a key for your brighter educational prospect. Let's begin. APJ Abdul Kalam Scholarship offered by many organizations including state government, educational institution and other entities. It's a tribute to Dr. Kalam's commitment to education and his vision to achieve 100% literacy in India. This scholarship creates educational opportunity for the needy and a deserving candidate. The scholarship recipient can receive a financial assistance of 6,000 rupees. This scholarship has been designed to the students who are willing to pursue their courses in diploma. To be eligible for this scholarship, you should meet the following eligibility criteria, like the applicant must belong to Muslim, Jain, Parsi, Sikh or Jain community. Your family income should be less than 8 lakhs rupees. You must be native of Kerala. You must have taken admission on a merit level, and you must be having a BPL card, and the applicant must study in government aided or government approved self-financing polytechnic institution. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal called the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Now let's discuss what all the documents are required to apply for this scholarship. A passport size photograph, signature, SSLC mark sheet, seat allotment letter, income certificate and ration card. Make sure that file size of each document should not exceed 100 KB. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box. If you like the content what we are doing, then please show us some support by liking, sharing and subscribing our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. Let's come back to the application process. Now, click the link in the description box and then you'll be redirected to official website. There you'll click on the application name called as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Scholarship. There you will find two buttons. One is for the instruction and second one is for the apply button. Click on the apply button. Then you will be redirected to a page where you need to fill out your basic details like your educational board. Please enter your roll number or the examination number of SSLC. Then you'll get a registration ID. Then fill out a name of the candidate, date of birth, gender, nationality, name of your father, husband or the guardian, the relationship to the student, occupation, Aadhaar ID. Then please provide your contact details like email ID and the phone number. There you need to enter the further details, that is your registration ID, and create a password and please re-enter the password for the confirmation. Then enter the details of the CAPTCHA and click on the save and proceed. Details like permanent address and communication address. Then click on save and process. Then let's move on to the fill out the details about phase 3, that is about your educational details, that is details about your present education, the course you are studying, admission date, etc. and details about the course based on which scholarship is being sought. Give the details about your examination passing, total marks you have obtained, have you received any other scholarship. If yes, then give the details about the same. Then click on save and proceed. Then let's move on to the next phase of the application, that is fourth phase. Please provide all the bank details properly, that is name of the bank, account number, IFSC code, and after that the last phase of the application, that is self-declaration, that all the above given information are true. Then click on the save and proceed. Then last you need to fill out, or in the last, like, you need to upload all the documents which have been mentioned in the previous explanation. Then click on the submit button. Best of luck for your scholarship journey and don't hesitate to share this information with your friends. Signing off, take care.